Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why China's economy is slowing down. We will explore the major factors contributing to this trend, starting with the significant challenges in its real estate sector. Then, we'll examine how shifting consumer behavior and an aging population are impacting growth. Finally, we'll discuss the role of exports and debt, offering a comprehensive overview of the current economic landscape. A major contributor to China's economic slowdown is its struggling real estate sector. We've seen a prolonged slump, with new home prices falling by over 2% in some areas and second-hand homes dropping more than 7% nationwide. Many developers are burdened with enormous debt, leading to numerous unfinished housing projects. This situation has significantly eroded household wealth and dampened consumer confidence, as property accounts for about 2/3 of household assets. Weak consumer spending is another critical issue. Many Chinese households are tightening their purse strings, with savings hovering near record highs rather than spending. This is partly due to a negative wealth effect from the property market and high youth unemployment, which has reached 18.8% in some periods. Furthermore, China faces significant demographic challenges. Its population is aging rapidly, and birth rates are declining, leading to a shrinking workforce and increased social welfare costs. China's economy also grapples with an over-reliance on exports and industrial overcapacity. While exports have shown resilience, this strategy often leads to trade tensions with other nations. Excess production capacity contributes to deflationary pressures as supply outstrips domestic demand. Addressing these complex issues requires balancing growth with structural reforms. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.